We've all been there. You have the perfect photo, but it's too blurry to use. Do not delete it. I've spent hours testing every AI tool out there, and I have found 2 free upscalers that honestly beat the paid ones. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use them to save your photos and turn them into HD. You're going to want to save this one. Let's go. Alright, so the first tool is Nordy AI. Go to nordy.ai and I'll put the link in the description so you do not have to type it out. Once you're on the website, go ahead and sign in using your Google account. The sign-in process is very quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it and search for 8K. This will show you the real Upscale 8K tool. Go ahead and click on it to open it. After this, click on the Run button here. Now you'll see an Upload button. Click on that and upload the image you want to upscale. Now here is where it gets interesting. This tool works best when you describe what is in your image. So to get the most accurate description without typing anything manually, we are going to use a second website called imageprompt.org. Open a new tab and go to imageprompt.org. Log in here using your Google account. Then go to Image to Prompt. Once you are there, upload the same image here. After uploading, click on Generate Prompt. The website will analyze your image and automatically generate a detailed text description of it. Now just copy that generated prompt, go back to Nordy AI and paste it in the text box. Once you have pasted the prompt, click on Create. The tool will now start processing your image. Give it a moment to finish. Once it is done, you'll see the upscale result right there on the screen. Go ahead and click download to save it to your computer and save the image. And honestly, the results are really impressive. Just look at the difference between the original and the upscale version. The details on the face, the hair, the textures, everything looks so much sharper and cleaner. It is hard to believe this was a low quality image just a few seconds ago. Alright. So now let's move on to the second tool, which is Imagine Art. Go to imagine.art. Again, link is in the description. Once you're on the website, sign in with your Google account. And here is something really nice about this tool. As soon as you sign in, you get 100 free credits every single day. So you can upscale multiple images daily without paying anything. Once you're logged in, from the options that appear, select Image Upscale. Now you'll see an area where you can add your image. Go ahead, click on Upload Media and upload the image you want to upscale here. Once the image is uploaded, click here to select a model. A list of different upscaling models will appear. From this list, select Magnific Precision V2. This is one of the best models for image upscaling and gives clean and detailed results. Now you'll see a slider on the screen. Drag it all the way to the full for the best quality output. Next, choose your upscale level. Select 2x upscale for free upscaling. Once everything is set, click on Upscale. The tool will now start processing your image. This may take a few minutes, so just give it some time. Once it is done, click on Download to save your upscaled image to your computer. And just look at the result. Compared to the original, the upscaled version is so much sharper and more detailed. Imagine Art does a really solid job, especially with the facial details and textures. So those are the 2 best free AI image upscaler tools you can use right now. Nordy AI and Imagine Art. Both free, both impressive, and both give you results that would normally cost a lot of money with traditional software. Now I want to hear from you. Which tool did you like more? Nordy AI or Imagine Art? Comment below and let me know. Also, what kind of images are you planning to upscale? Old family photos, product images? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI tool tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Take care.